trade-off in waiting lines, responsiveness versus cost. So in waiting lines, the main trade-off that we will have to decide is between cost efficiency and responsiveness. Responsiveness will be measured by short waiting time, right? High responsiveness means average waiting time is low. So it's very easy to see that if you hire more workers to serve customers, you're going to, right, have the larger number of servers will be increased. The responsiveness will be much higher, the average waiting time will be much smaller, and you'll be somewhere here. But unfortunately, your costs will increase because you will be serving the same number of customers potentially with much much higher number of employees. So your cost per customer interaction per service will increase. Maybe you'll have much more idle time for those workers, right? On the other hand, you can reduce the number of workers, then the responsiveness will unfortunately suffer, but cost efficiency will improve. And I hope you see that things like system redesign, some improvements where you standardize the service, for example, or somehow have reduced the average service time or variability of service time or arrival times will be taking us to another frontier, right? So improving on both measures. Also, pooling is one way to improve on both measures. We get both higher efficiency and higher responsiveness, or at least one of them is increased without sacrificing the other measure. And of course, this is what we look for, and this is what where the competitive advantage again can be created in an operation.